Today we are going to make a teddy bear music box. Once you open the box, a teddy bear will dance to the music. Through this project, you will learn how to write condition codes for IR and a code to control the speaker and motor speed. In addition, you can learn how to write a code to control the length of a sound using a delay code. To make a music box, you need a network and a battery module for the setup module, a motor controller, a motor module connected to a motor, and a speaker module for the output module, and an IR module for the input module. Then prepare a wheel and a basic block among the accessories. And bring a cute box, knife, double-sided tape, and an adorable figure. Let's check out the coding map of the music box. When the top of the box is opened, the motor starts to rotate and the speaker plays music. And when the music box is closed, the motor and the music stop. So, on to coding. Run Modi Studio. Click on New Project and enter a project name. Connect Modi to the computer and check if all the modules connected to the module map are recognized. Before we start coding, let's find out how the IR module measures distance. If you click on IR module in the module map, a graph appears in the module monitoring. Bring your hand close to the IR module and then away from the module. You will see how the IR values change depending on the distance. Now, let's write a code for the condition when the music box is open. Drag an if block from palette to editor. Select IR in condition box and click proximity. Proximity shows the distance between the IR module and a certain object. The higher the number, the closer the distance. So, you need to decide on how low you want the proximity level for the music box to start. I entered below 50. In other words, I set an operation condition when proximity value exceeds 50 and recedes. Now, when you open the music box, the motor should rotate and the speakers should play music. So, connect a motor module under the code you just wrote. Then, select speed and enter a rotational velocity. I entered 50, 50. It means when proximity value between the IR module and a certain object is below 50, the motor rotates at a speed of 50%. Let's add music. Connect a speaker module under the previous code. If you select Basic Tune in the condition box of speaker, you can select a note you want. I chose For Elise. Select the first note E and set volume at 100. You can adjust the length of the sound using a delay block. Set 0.3 seconds for a beat based on a quarter note. To set the length of the musical note, place a delay code under speaker and enter 300 milliseconds for a beat. Do the same for the second note, D sharp. Place a speaker module under the first code and select note D sharp and volume 100 in the condition box. Connect a delay code and enter 300. Enter the length of the remaining notes in the same way. After you have finished entering all notes, the speaker should turn off. So, select Custom Tune in Speaker and enter 0 for both frequency and volume. Then, you have entered all the music codes. Now, let's write a condition code when the music box is closed. It's a code for a new situation, so drag an if block and add it in the same way as the previous if code. Then, set a proximity value of the IR module. The proximity value of the IR code was below 50. So enter 50 or over this time. To turn the speaker off under this condition, enter 0 for both frequency and volume. Enter 0 for angle and speed as well to stop the motor. This code means when a proximity value between the IR module is over 50, the motor and speaker turn off. You have finished writing all the codes for a music box. Upload the codes to Modi. Open the music box and you will see an adorable teddy bear dancing to music. Based on the codes you have learned today, make your own inventive creation.
MODI. Modi.